we're working on our eye section for this head. And you can see we've taken some out in the back. So we get the eyeball to fit down in there. So we need to continuously open this hole up. Now we'll cut away on the inside some more. So we've opened that up, so now we'll go back on the inside and open it up a little more on the inside. So we'll keep doing this till we get it the size that we want. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.